Hello friends, welcome to Chaitra IT Learnings. Now we are going to solve a puzzle together. The puzzle reads like you have 20 red balls and 16 blue balls in a bag. You pull out two balls one after the other. And if the balls are of the same color, then you replace them with a blue ball. If the balls are of the different color, then you replace them with a red ball. Once you take out the balls, you do not place them back into the bag. So the total number of balls in the bag will be keep on reducing. What will be the color of the last ball remaining in the bag? This is the question. So what he is saying is, if you are bringing out if you are bringing out two different color balls, then you will place a red ball into the box. Suppose if you are bringing two similar colored balls, then in that case, you will place a new blue color ball into the box. So this is the question. This is the question. This is the question given. Now, based on this, I will write three cases. Three cases. The three cases are case one, when two balls are red, when two red balls are being brought out. Okay, two red balls are brought out. In that case, we are placing one blue ball. So if you observe, blue count increased by 1 and red ball count decreased by 2. Now I am going to take another case. Case 2, when two blue balls are brought out. Then we place one blue ball into the bag. In that case, what is happening? Blue count decreased by 1. Let me write -1, here +1, here -2, and red ball count remains same. Then now case 3. One red, one blue are brought out. Then what happens? In that case, overall blue ball count. So if two different color balls are being brought out, then what we will do? I will place one red ball back into that bag. So now let us see the overall red and blue count. Blue count decreased by 1, but red ball count remains same. Why? Because we bought one red ball out from the box and we placed one more red ball back into that box. So the overall red ball count in the box is not disturbed. So based on this, if we observe, if we observe for some time, then we can see that in general, the blue ball count is reduced by 2, okay, or it remains the same. The blue ball count reduced by 2 or it remains the same. It remains the same. But the blue ball count is increased by 1 or decreased by 1, decreased by 1 or increased by 1 in all the three cases. So ultimately, if there is only one ball left, if there is only one ball left finally in the box, then that should be obviously blue. That should be obviously blue. Why? Because if there is only one ball left in the box, that should be obviously blue. Why? Because if it is a red ball is always is an even number. If from 20 eventually it goes till 6 and then it goes to 4, then it goes to 2 and then finally it reaches 0. You will never be left with only one red ball in the box because it is always reduced by 2, it is always reduced by 2 or remains same. So you are never left with one single red ball in the box, but there is 100% chance that you will be left with a blue ball because blue ball count increases by 1 or decreases by 1. So finally, if you are left with only one ball in the box, that will be obviously blue, and red balls will be finished in even numbers. So you will never be left with a single red ball in the box. So the answer is blue. Thank you for watching this video. Follow Chitra IT Learnings for more such content.